Welcome to the new episode of Doki Talkie. So I have always been fascinated by neurosurgery, and I read a case about a neurosurgeon in which he performed a groundbreaking neurosurgery. It was successful, but yet the patient died. Why? Because of something so silent, so preventable, but yet so deadly: pressure ulcers. In India alone, 5 to 8% of the patients in ICU suffer from pressure ulcers. And by the presence of a pressure ulcer, the mortality rate can go from 22% to 45%. It basically doubles. And yet, in 2026, the only solution is to move the patient manually. That did not seem right. So me and my 3 friends from Amrita School of Medicine decided to create a smart wearable underwear called Underaware. So my friends and I designed a smart wearable to detect and prevent pressure ulcers. And thus the idea of Underaware was born. So Underaware detects 2 major risk factors for pressure ulcer: pressure and moisture. For pressure detection, we used 4 sensitive resistors. We proposed to use 64 such resistors in an 8x8 grid. And for moisture, similarly, we used moisture sensors. Now, whenever there was a grid, a particular area which had both high pressure and high moisture, our system raised alert. So the nurse at this point, or the caregiver, had to intervene to either remove the pressure by moving the patient or remove moisture by cleaning the patient. So in market, there are pressure mattresses, but they cost a lot. They are not accessible and their rent only exceeds 2 to 5 lakhs. But our system has a one-time cost that is 12,000, and on each use the patient has to bear approximately 600 to 700 rupees. So our system is accessible to every ICU patient and every patient in home care. In future, we are planning to integrate this with a pressure changing matrix, which would change pressure according to the inputs from our sensor. We are also planning to use pH indicator dyes to detect stool and urine spoilage. So my friends and I presented this model in the hackathon conducted in Armed Forces Medical College, Pune, and we won the 3rd prize. The 3rd prize not just validated our model, but also validated months of hard work that we had put in. To anyone watching this, if you are a student planning to build something but are skeptical, just build it. The problems are real, and so is your ability to solve them. Thank you for watching.